Hi guys, welcome to another video from Little to Simple. What if we told you that a homegrown Indian brand is not just competing but dominating the global smartwatch market? Yes, we're talking about Fire-Boltt, the brand that's breaking stereotypes and redefining the tech landscape. But how did Fire-Boltt rise from being a lesser known Indian startup to a global smartwatch powerhouse? Buckle up because this story is nothing short of extraordinary. And here's the kicker, they achieved all this in a market dominated by giants like Apple, Samsung, and Fitbit. Sounds impossible, right? Let's rewind and uncover how Fire-Boltt set the global stage on fire. Back in 2015, two ambitious siblings, Arnav and Ayushi Kishore, had a dream to build a tech brand that could stand tall against international competitors. But the journey was far from easy. With limited funds and an overcrowded market, they faced a dilemma. How could they differentiate themselves? The answer was simple but genius. Instead of focusing solely on fitness tracking, Fire-Boltt envisioned a smartwatch that could combine style, functionality, and affordability. Their motto, luxury for everyone. And that vision became the foundation of what we now know as Fire-Boltt. But their biggest challenge was yet to come. Before Fire-Boltt could even dream of taking on global giants, they had to first survive the intense competition from homegrown brands like Boltt and Noise. These brands had already established a strong foothold in the Indian market with their affordable and stylish wearable devices. Boltt in particular was a major player. Known for its aggressive pricing, trendy design, and strong distribution network, Boltt seemed almost unbeatable. Fire-Boltt had to find a way to stand out. Their strategy doubled down on innovation and create a product that didn't just compete on price but offered superior value. By introducing features like Bluetooth calling and health monitoring at highly competitive prices, Fire-Boltt started to chip away at the market share of these established players. They also focused on creating a premium brand perception through clever marketing and partnerships. But how could they survive this domestic rivalry and take the next big leap? Let's find out. While brands like Boltt and Noise dominated the audio and smartwatch markets, they faced one big challenge when it came to competing with Fire-Boltt: the price to quality ratio. Fire-Boltt managed to offer premium features at prices even lower than its Indian counterparts. But how? Fire-Boltt achieved this by leveraging efficient manufacturing partnerships and economies of scale. Unlike other brands which focused heavily on marketing, Fire-Boltt struck a balance between product development and brand. They also localized their supply chain to reduce costs while maintaining quality. Moreover, Fire-Boltt invested in R&D to introduce features like AI health tracking and Bluetooth calling that were previously available only in premium models. Their lean operational structure and a strong focus on value engineering allowed them to stay ahead. And now, with domestic competition subdued, Fire-Boltt set its sights on global dominance. The smartwatch industry in 2017 was dominated by global giants. Apple's sleek design, Samsung's tech integration, and Fitbit's fitness expertise made it nearly impossible for a new player to survive. So, how did Fire-Boltt carve out a niche? The Kishore siblings decided to focus on three pillars: affordability, innovation, and marketing. They offered premium features like heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen tracking, and Bluetooth calling at a fraction of the price of their competitors. But there was one secret weapon they wielded that changed the game. Enter influencer marketing. Unlike traditional advertising, Fire-Boltt harnessed the power of influencer marketing. They partnered with fitness enthusiasts, tech reviewers, and lifestyle influencers who showcased how Fire-Boltt smartwatches seemingly fit into every aspect of life. This strategy not only helped them gain trust, but also allowed them to connect with a younger, tech-savvy audience. And the results? Phenomenal. Sales skyrocketed. and the brand became a household name in India almost overnight. But what about their biggest gamble? Did it pay off? In 2020, Fire-Boltt took its biggest leap yet, entering the global market. Competing with international brands meant adapting to diverse consumer needs, building a robust supply chain, and maintaining quality while keeping costs low. To achieve this, Fire-Boltt partnered with cutting-edge manufacturers in India and abroad. They also invested heavily in R&D to stay ahead of the curve, and their efforts bore fruit. By 2022, Fire-Boltt has expanded to over 30 countries, including the USA, Europe, and the Middle East. But what made their global strategy so unique? The answer lies in the details. Fire-Boltt's success isn't just about affordability, it's about innovation. Let's break down some of the features that have wowed consumers worldwide. From AI-powered health monitoring to a 15-day battery life and an ever-growing library of watch faces, Fire-Boltt ensured that its products weren't just gadgets, but lifestyle companions. And all of this comes with an unbeatable price tag. But what happens when the competition fights back? Can Fire-Boltt survive? As Fire-Boltt gained global recognition, the competition intensified. Established players started offering budget-friendly options, and new entrants flooded the market. To stay ahead, Fire-Boltt doubled down on innovation and customer engagement. They launched limited edition watches, collaborated with fitness experts to create exclusive content, and even introduced AI-driven customer support to enhance the user experience. Their mantra: listen to the customer and evolve. But there's one secret ingredient that truly sets them apart. Being an Indian brand gave Fire-Boltt a unique edge. With access to a massive pool of engineering talent and a cost-efficient manufacturing ecosystem, they could innovate faster and offer competitive pricing. Moreover, they embraced the Make in India initiative, which not only boosted their credibility but also won the hearts of Indian consumers. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. How big is Fire-Boltt today? As of 2025, Fire-Boltt has cemented its position as one of the top 5 smartwatch brands globally and the undisputed leader in India. Their revenue has crossed $500 million and they're showing no signs of slowing down. From being an underdog to becoming a global phenomenon, Fire-Boltt's journey is a testament to the power of vision, perseverance, and innovation. But is this the end of their story? Absolutely not. Let's take a peek into what's next. Fire-Boltt is now venturing into new territories, from integrating AR and VR capabilities to expanding into the smart home ecosystem. They're all set to revolutionize how we interact with technology. As Ayushi Kishore says, this is just the beginning. We dream of a world where smart technology is accessible to everyone, everywhere. So, what do you think? Can Fire-Boltt continue to dominate the global stage? Fire-Boltt's story isn't just about smartwatches. It's about dreaming big, taking risks, and proving that an Indian brand can lead on the global stage. So, the next time you see someone wearing a Fire-Boltt, remember, it's not just a watch, it's a symbol of possibility.